Hello student. Now in this video I am going to teach you working of electret microphone and tie up microphone. So starting with its construction and basic of electret microphone. It is a electrostatic capacitor microphone. Its construction, it consists of two plates of capacitor. Out of two plate, one plate is fixed. It cannot be movable. And on this plate, Teflon material coating is placed during the manufacturing time. So that on fixed plate, inbuilt charge was stored on it. So other plate is connected to the diaphragm on where sound waves was applied. So after applying that sound waves, the capacitance is changed. So according to the change in capacitance, we can convert the sound wave signal into the electrical signal. Student, as you can see on your screen, this is the image of electrolytic microphone. As you can see there, this contains on two pins. So working of this microphone, in this diagram, this is the two plates of capacitor. On the right side plate, Teflon material coating is used. So due to that coating, inbuilt charge was stored this plate, and this capacitor output is connected to the N-type JFET act as a amplifier circuit. When sound pressure waves applied to the one plate of capacitor, distance between the two plates of capacitor is decreased. According to the capacitance formula, when distance between the two plates was decreased, capacitance increase. So increased capacitance will create a small voltage drop across the plate of this capacitor. Here we get the change in voltage, and this change in voltage can be amplified by this N-channel JFET. So the output is depend upon the distance between the two plates of capacitor and the pressure sound waves. So according to this formula, if D is distance between the two plates and it is decreased by applying the sound waves, and this D is decreased, capacitance is increased. So increased capacitance will create the change in voltage. So you can see in this diagram, this is the pin number 1. It is for output voltage purpose. Pin number 2 for ground. If the electrostatic microphone contains 3 pin, then the pin number 1 is referred for supply voltage, pin number 2 for output, and pin number 3 for input. Some important applications. It can be used in communications and recording in the device including telephones, smartphones, desktop computers, tablets, headset, high performance recording system, somewhere hearing aids, and so on. Some important characteristics are frequency response up to 5 kHz, output impedance is 50 mega ohm, directivity is omnidirectional, that can be pick up the sound by 360 directions, and distortion is low. Some important pin configuration of electro-tape microphone. In the diagram I have just told you that pin number 1 for output terminal, pin number 2 for ground terminal. Then how it can be identified? So output terminal, that is pin number 1, is surrounded by the black layer, and ground terminal with a small connection of silver line found between terminal and chasing. In other words, we can say that ground pin can be connected to the chasing unit. Another microphone, it is important microphone, named as tie clip microphone. As you can see on your screen, this is the tie clip microphone. Again, this is also a tie clip microphone. Here, this is the tie clip microphone connected with transmitter unit. It is a basic, it is a small electret microphone, means capacitor or condenser type microphone, used for television, theater, and public speaking applications like interview taking or creating purpose. They are most commonly provided with small clips like here for attaching to the collars, ties, and other clothing parts. It have advantageable because it is small in size and light in weight. It can be easily carried up to the moving distance up to the 15 meters. Using this type of microphone improve the audio quality as well as audio footage quality. Operation. Such type of microphone contains 3 units. One, transmitter unit, second, mic, and third will be the receiver unit. So the operation, insert mic into the socket of transmitter. This is the mic. It can be insert into the transmitter socket. Plug the receiver into the socket for microphone, and then device is ready for operation purpose like classroom teaching in a hall. So other side there is the receiver unit. So such type of two units, transmitter unit and receiver unit, both can be operated with small batteries. A transmitter unit can be operated by 9 volt and the receiver unit can be operated by 2 AA cells. Some important specification of this transmitter unit, it can be operated by using frequency modulation methods, having frequency range up to the 80 to 1 to 500 Hz, operating voltage 9 volt, distance up to the 15 meters, output impedance is 600 ohms. These are the some important specifications of tie clip microphones. So last topic of microphone are some important comparison between ribbon, crystal, capacitor and carbon microphones. With the points are sensitivity, frequency response, distortion, directivity, output impedance, size, cost and applications. A ribbon microphone sensitivity is 3 microvolt. It is very small. Crystal microphone output is 15 millivolt. Capacitor microphone output is 3 millivolt. While carbon microphone output is 100 millivolt equals to the 1 volt. Frequency response for a ribbon is 20 to 12 kilohertz. Capacitor is 40 to 15 kilohertz. It is good for audio frequency range. Distortions, all the microphone contains 1%, 1%, 1%, but carbon microphone contains 10% because inbuilt resistance randomly changes with the applied of sound waves. Directivity, ribbon microphone contains only figure of 8, that is bidirectional pattern directivity. That means ribbon microphone can pick up sound in left side as well as right side. All of the remaining microphone sound can be picked up by 360 directions. Only carbon microphone having low resistance, capacitor microphone having output impedance 100 megaohms. Some important comparison with the size: ribbon microphone in big in size, crystal microphone in small in size, capacitor again big in size, carbon microphone is small in size. Some important applications: a ribbon microphone can be used in drama and music. Crystal microphone can be used in home sound recording unit. Capacitor microphone can be used in studio sound recording unit, and carbon microphone can be used in telephone unit. So student, here we complete all the microphones, and at last we have covered the comparison between all the microphones. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you for watching.